Hey guys, my name is Noria and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to do something I haven't done in a while, which is an unboxing video. So if you guys follow me on Instagram, you know I also have, I have several accounts, but I have another Instagram that I'm collaborating on. It's called Influencers Living Naturally, and basically what it is just a group of women just sharing clean, non-toxic, using green skincare, home items like cleaning supplies, fresheners. We're expanding out makeup, all that other good stuff. But for, I want to say a few weeks ago, we got to partner with this amazing brand who sent us so many goodies to try out and test and just give our honest feedback and everything. So if you guys want to check out our Instagram page, I will kind of show you parts of it over here, but then I'll link it down in the description box below, so you kind of can see what we're due week to week. Something new is featured almost every week. But we're gonna get right into it. So I have my box here. Yes, I have already opened. There's no address on that side. We're good. I've already opened it because, of course, I already did that post. So I do know what's in here, but I've only used 2 of the items so far, so I am pretty much going in blind. I kind of went in knowing I just wanted to use the mask first off, but I'm jumping ahead of time. We're just gonna go into it. So first, you're like, what is this brand? This brand is called Organic Beauty Essentials, and I love that they gave a product guide because they gave so much stuff that I have no idea. So I'm probably gonna be reading off of this just to make sure I don't forget anything. So I love this brand, one, because they are sustainable. Yes, some of the packaging is in plastic, but all the containers are glass and can be recycled or repurposed, and I absolutely love that. And so this is everything, almost everything. One thing's missing out of here just because it makes a mess if it's sideways, but this is everything, and I'm just going to kind of go through and just show you what I got. This is the Makeup Melt Face Wash. Melts away makeup, leaving face feeling clean and fresh. So I think this is supposed to be a one-stepper instead of doing the double cleansing method. I think you could do this in just one. It says astonishing, rapid and gentle makeup removing facial wash action with beneficial organic oils and with witch hazel leaves skin feeling clean and feeling fresh and moisturized. This is the facial toner. Oh, one thing I meant to mention, this whole line is organic, so non-toxic, it's organic. Some things are vegan, most of it isn't. I think most of it has beeswax and some variation and or honey, but other than that, cruelty-free, all that good stuff. This is the facial toner. It says reduces trace residue, balances skin, and leaves face feeling fresh. So one of the items I have used already, this is the Mega Antioxidant Face Mask. Oh my gosh, this thing feels amazing. You really have to stir it before you use it, but I used this when a day when my face was just breaking out. It was terrible. I just put it on. It was a nice soothing. It's a little tightening. Like, it was a slight pull on my skin and I could just feel it working, and my face felt so smooth afterwards. It says the Grape Seed Flower Mud Type Mask with 55,000 ORAC, I don't remember what that means, I have to look that up. Mega Antioxidant Powder creates a warm and tingling feeling as it works by drawing your blood to the surface for creating and detoxifying, tightens pores, revitalizes, and renews your skin. So that is this. And then it says for an incredible experience, scrub your face with the Silky Smooth Face Scrub after the mask, which I did, and oh my gosh, yes. I love that this is so fine, and it was very gentle on my skin. I have a few scrubs that I can kind of tell I have to be super gentle with, or it will create micro tears. I did not feel that with this. So what it says about this, is it on here? It says organic fine sugar scrub for deep cleansing and exfoliation. Why can't I talk today? Excellent facial oils of apricot and raspberry seed leaves your skin feeling nourished after deep cleaning. The scrub will leave your face feeling super smooth, which it did. This was amazing. Yeah, this is the one thing though I had to keep sitting up because if not it kind of leaked a little bit, but so good guys, so good. But those are the only two things I actually tried. I need to actually go through everything, and I'm super excited to do that. I wonder, I'm debating on doing like a week of just using these products, so let me know. I'm gonna put a poll here. Let me know if you guys actually want to see me record that, or if that's even something you guys would like to see, so I don't waste my time and yours. Up next, this is the Flawless Face Serum. It says, what does it say about you? Flawless Face Serum. A synergetic blend of outstanding organic facial oils of red raspberry, jojoba, frankincense, blah, 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 more stuff. The serum is naturally high in vitamin E, antioxidants. Just some of the few benefits include natural skin protection, anti-inflammatory, oily skin reduction, dry skin hydration, healing, acne control, scar and wrinkle reduction. Holy crap, I need to be using this like yesterday. We'll save that one for last. We have the Radical Repair Cream. It says a perfect balance of ingredients to treat ultra dry skin and hands, cuticle, elbows, knees, feet, etc. with a rapid results approximately 2 weeks. That's actually not bad. I might have to use this on my feet. Beneficial ingredients includes aloe to soothe and heal, shea butter to heal and moisturize, cracked skin, coconut oil to moisturize, heal and chemically balance your skin. Antifungal properties for best results. Apply before going to bed, allow it to work in at night. Yes, I'm gonna have to use this on my feet because as an instructor who teaches a lot of barefoot formats, yeah, my feet be getting dry, and yeah, we're gonna have to work on that. This Extreme Hand Body Cream. It says collection of some of the best oils of your skin, such as olive, almond, wheat germ, coconut, and apricot, are combined in a aloe base to create an exceptional organic hand and body cream to provide your skin with ultimate hydration and restoration. Holy crap, that's a long sentence. Rich and luxurious, a little goes a long way. These oils in the cream can take a few minutes to absorb into your skin, will provide hours of excellent benefits. So another deep cleansing type thing. Next we have the Extreme Face Cream Day and Night. Rich beneficial organic oils provide excellent moisture and emollient skin. Oils of marula, red raspberry, apricot, argan, baobab, coconut seed, avocado, coconut, carrot seed, avocado, coconut, and tea tree. Provides omega-rich aging protection, natural skin protection, aids in wrinkle reduction, improves elasticity, and gentle for sensitive skin. I've been a little skeptical using this during the day because I just like using a light cream during the day just because anything heavy during the day I tend to break out. So let's give this a shot. Try it both day and night, see how it goes. Last 3 things and then we're done. This is the Intense Therapeutic Gel, which I'm excited for. I'm about to really bump up my workouts in the next week or so, and I know I'm going to be so sore, so I'm looking forward to this to help soothe. So it says packed with excellent ingredients for muscle and joint pain relief. The gel absorbs rapidly with no residue. The menthol will smooth and cool. Cayenne will draw on your own blood to the area for healing and heat. Yes, so basically a nice recovery gel. I'm excited to use this. You will probably see me featuring this a lot, especially as my workouts get more and more intense, but I'm excited for that. And the last 2 things are lip balms. We have an unscented one and a mint lavender one. I mean, I feel like when you come to lip balms, they're pretty straightforward. But yeah, that is everything I got from the Organic Beauty Essential line. Again, let me know if you guys would like to see a video of me testing all of these out for a week or so to see my results. You will probably see a few of these come up in favorites throughout the year just because already I'm in love with the mask. But yeah, that's pretty much it. Trying to keep this video short and sweet. So don't forget to hit that subscribe button if you haven't subscribed already. Check out Influencers Living Naturally, which is the group I collaborate on. And don't forget to subscribe to my Instagram, RandomlyNoria. I will see you guys in the next one. Until then, bye.